Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy USDT Tether on crypto.com. It's pretty quick and simple, so make sure to stick around and subscribe to this channel. And now, once you are on your crypto.com, all you have to do is click buy option right there. After you have clicked it, go ahead on search and write down USDT and choose Tether, and that's how you can buy it. So there's one-time buy, or also market, purchase USDT with cash or crypto once, just like so, or recurring buy. So here's cash and crypto. So if you want to go ahead and buy it with cash, you're going to add a payment method right there. You can choose your fiat wallet where you deposit money from your bank account and it has no fees. So it's probably the best option because credit debit card has some fees. You can also go ahead and use Apple Pay, and you can also go ahead and use some other crypto. So basically that's it, how you can buy it. You're gonna click buy after this and your USDT will be on your account. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel and I will see you next time. Bye.